Hi friends, welcome back again. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to talk about something important for people who do office work or run a business. The question is, can WPS Office replace Microsoft Office for business use? About a real test I did using WPS in my daily work. But before we start, please check the description box below. I always add useful links and update there. If WPS or Microsoft changes anything in future, I will keep the latest information there. You can also find the WPS Office download link and some extra tips. So don't forget to check it after watching. Alright, so let's start it. So we all know that Microsoft Office is the most popular tool for work. Many companies use it every day, but the problem is it's not free. You need to pay every year or every month, and for small business owners or people who want to save the money, this can be a little harder. That's why many people ask, can we use WPS Office instead? Is it good enough for business use? To find the answer, I used only WPS Office for one full week to do my real work. I wrote documents, made spreadsheets, and created presentation, just like people do in any businesses or office. The first thing I notice is WPS looks almost the same as Microsoft Office. The button, the layout, the tools, everything is very familiar. If you know how to use Word or Excel, you will feel comfortable in WPS. Writing documents was very smooth. I wrote business letter, invoice, and reports. WPS also supports docs, which means you can open and save Microsoft Word files without any problem. I shared a few files with people who use Microsoft Word and they open it with no errors. And for spreadsheet, I used WPS spreadsheet to manage product price, calculate totals, and track expenses. It has most of the formula like Excel. If you are not doing very advanced work like coding macros or complex data analysis, WPS is perfect for regular business use. Then I used the presentation tool. I made a short sale presentation. It has themes, animations, and transitions, just like PowerPoint, and it worked well and looked very professional. One thing I really like in WPS Office, that is PDF feature. In business, we often need to send PDFs. WPS lets you make and edit PDFs easily. You can sign documents, combine files, and even protect them with a password, all in one in free version. But of course, not everything is perfect. If you are doing very advanced work like working in Microsoft Teams or using Outlook together with Word or Excel, WPS may not give the same smooth connection. Also, some business tools like Mail Merge or Macros are not very powerful in WPS free version. You may need to upgrade for those. Another thing is ads. Sometimes WPS Office shows some small ads because it's a free app. And it's not a big problem, but for people who want a clean workspace, it can be a bit distracting. But still, for writing, reading, sharing files, and daily business tasks, WPS Office did a great job. It worked well even on an old laptop and saved all files without any problem. So the final answer is yes, WPS Office can replace Microsoft Office for many business uses. If your work is simple or moderate and you don't want to spend a lot of money, WPS is a smart choice for you. It's free, it looks good, and it does the job. So that was for today. I hope this test and experience helped you to understand more about using WPS Office for your business. If you want to try WPS Office, the download link is in the description. I will also keep adding any updates or changes there. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.